All right, so Hershey Park was yesterday and we just made it to Six Flags Great Adventure. We're gonna try and make the best of the day. Unfortunately, Kingda Ka looks like it's gonna be closed as usual. But we're gonna make the rest of the day and have a good time. So I think first we're gonna go try and do El Toro. So this is my first time doing El Toro, even though we went here last year. El Toro and Ka were closed. So this will be fun. Now we're in a big hurry. We just saw Kingda Ka go with the ride ups on it. Kingda Ka is open, but it's super rainy forecast today. We gotta get it now. So we're headed to Kingda Ka. Oh boy, here we go. They still haven't opened the gates yet, but I am praying they do. I've never ridden it before and I've heard it's amazing. Oh my gosh, there's people on this train. I think we might get it. I think we might get it. We just got off Kingda Ka. Oh my gosh. Huh. We rode it 3 times, front row seat. I've also got middle rows too. Front row was absolutely terrifying. As far as intense coasters go, that destroyed X2. That was terrifying. That genuinely amazing. I loved it. And just our luck too, it just started raining and they just closed the ride. So we got 3 rides on it and Kingda Ka's out for the day. We didn't even think we'd get a ride at once, so that is super good. It was awesome. There's the last train. By the way, I would highly recommend a front row seat on Kingda Ka because the wind in your face, you can't even breathe. Your cheeks are getting ripped off your face and your eyes are just peeled open. It's ridiculous. Lots of fun. All right, now we're gonna go ride Zoomanjaro and see how that fares to Drop of Doom at Six Flags Magic Mountain. So this will be exciting. That was super fun. Pretty similar to Drop of Doom at Magic Mountain. I still think Drop of Doom at Magic Mountain's a little scarier, but it was still really fun. Next up, I think we're gonna get some food and then go ride El Toro. I forgot they had animals here. For the first time, we're actually watching cheetahs walk around. I've never been to a zoo where the animals are actually moving, so that's pretty cool. So I just got a gyro from Kingdom Gyro, and they're actually super good. We are now in line for El Toro, and it's pretty long. About an hour later, and we're nearing the front. We just got off El Toro, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I'm a little underwhelmed. It wasn't as good as everybody says it is. Now, that's given I only had 1 ride and we waited an hour for it. Not to mention we were in the middle, and people usually tell me the back is best. But still, I was pretty underwhelmed by it. I didn't get any airtime. The last few turns down in the back of, like, I don't know what you call it, but the last few turns were pretty exciting. But as far as I'm concerned, I don't know, it underwhelmed me. I'll have to give it another shot later tonight. Alrighty, next up we are riding the Harley Quinn Crazy Coaster. I believe that's what it's called. So unfortunately, while we're walking there, Bizarro appears to be closed. I hope it's temporary for the day, but it doesn't appear to be so because there's a train on the mid-course. I don't know. Some good Six Flags theming along the way. Got some skeletons and guillotines. And of course, the M&M sponsorship. So scratch Harley Quinn, we're now doing the Runaway Mine Train, the aerodynamics mine train. So we're gonna do that instead. So, I just got off the Runaway Mine Train, and honestly, that thing packs with airtime. That was actually hilarious. I didn't expect anything other than a credit. It was great. I must say, Six Flags Great Adventure gets a great review for theming over Magic Mountain. Honestly, this park is absolutely beautiful. What an amazing place. So we just got off the gondola, and next up is Skull Mountain. Never ridden this one, and it looks pretty cool. It's an indoor one, so it looks pretty exciting. We're gonna give it a try. I take it back. El Toro wasn't underwhelming. That was underwhelming. We waited like over an hour for that, and that was not that great. That's actually disappointing. But we're gonna go ride Nitro now, so that'll make up for it, I hope. Good. Another good news about this is because I came for national coasters, the park actually granted me access to a lot of the rides, so we get free runs up the exit of Nitro. We don't have to wait in the 2-hour line that's over there. So that is fantastic. It's another reason why I love this account so much, and you guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do stuff like this. Woo! Where are we right now, Uncle Joe? Woo! We're on Nitro, baby! Nitro! Alrighty, so we just got off Nitro, and that was super fun. Pretty much how I remembered it from a couple years back, so that was cool. Now we're pretty much just gonna walk around and enjoy the park with the Halloween stuff they have going on. Got some really cool smoke and lighting effects in the park. We're now trick-or-treating. It's kind of cool they have this going on as well. We're doing a walkthrough of the themed out cemetery section. Here we go, bro! Oh yeah. We just got off Joker. It was pretty cool, pretty much what I expected. I've ridden a few of those SNS free spins, so that was interesting. Next we're doing the Harley Quinn Crazy Coaster. So we just got off Joker, and now we are riding the Harley Quinn Crazy Train to get credits out of the way, and it also looks pretty cool. We're in line for it. This should be exciting. Alright, Crazy Train, Harley Quinn, whatever it's called, was cool. Now we're gonna walk through Clown Town and ride the Dark Knight coaster in the indoor Wild Mouse. For those of you guys who don't know me as an enthusiast very well, on a normal level, I'm actually not very fond of clowns, and we're going through Clown Town to get to the Dark Knight coaster. So this is gonna be slightly terrifying. Welcome to Clown Town. It is cool, guys. Alright, we made it through Clown Town, and now we're in line for the Dark Knight coaster, the Wild Mouse one. Also, too, you can see it's probably Wonder Woman back there, the big pendulum thing. Hopefully this one's got some decent theming and makes up for Skull Mountain, because Skull Mountain was honestly a piece of crap. So far, the queue's not bad. No complaints about the queue. We'll have to see how the actual ride is.
And welcome to the main station. Please continue to move all the way forward and up the ramp and into the station.
Okay, we just got off Dark Knight coaster. I wasn't able to secure a POV for you guys, but it was still fun, and they had some okay theming. I think we're gonna ride El Toro one more time and then call it a night. Okay, so I just rode El Toro one more time, hoping that maybe it could redeem itself, but it just doesn't do it for me. Like, I know a lot of you are gonna hate that, but I didn't, not that I didn't enjoy it, it didn't live up to the hype that everyone gives it. I'd probably rate El Toro a 6 out of 10. For me, it was just kind of like, yeah, that was cool, but I wouldn't wait more than an hour for it. But overall, this has been a great park, and it's been a fantastic time.
A little bit of my dad.
Honestly, Six Flags Great Adventure has been a great park. Not very many complaints at all. We'll have a review out soon. I would probably give this park a 9 out of 10 for the experience. It was great. Theming's better than Magic Mountain. Coasters were solid. We had a really good day. So, awesome time.